to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP configuration in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP configuration error, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on the start menu, or you can just click on the search menu also and type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you will type ipconfig space // DNS. After typing this, just you have to hit the enter button and you will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. After that, just close this window, restart your PC and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After restarting, if your issue has not resolved, then try the second method. Click on the start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find WLAN auto config. You have to just press W key, then scroll down. You can see a WLAN auto config. Double click on that. If it is selected as manual or disabled, you have to select as automatic. Then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After this, close this window. Then try the third method. Click on the start menu again. Then type here network reset. You can see a network reset. To click on this. Before clicking reset now, you have to read this carefully. This will remove, then reinstall your network adapter and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Then when you have reset, now all your Wi-Fi password or IP addresses all will be resetted. Then you have to reconfigure it again. After reading this carefully, just tap on reset now. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.